Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan was known as the Tiger of Mysore. Tipu Sultan was the first son of Hyder Ali. Tipu Sultan was a learned man and an able soldier. In 1785, Tipu Sultan stopped the export of sandalwood, pepper and cardamom through the ports of his kingdom. The East India Company waged 4 wars against Tipu Sultan from 1767 to 1799. During the last war at Srirangpatnam, Tipu Sultan was killed and the state of Mysore was handed over to the Wadiyars who had ruled Mysore before Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan's palace at Srirangpatnam, the palace is described as the abode of happiness. After the death of Tipu, the British used this building as their secretariat till 1867. The sword of Tipu Sultan. On the verge of defeat, Tipu lay critically injured in the battlefield, but he still had his favorite sword with him.